car won't start, so it must be the battery, right? Not always. Here's how to tell in 10 seconds. If the dash is dark or dim and you hear nothing, or just a rapid clicking, that points to the battery or connections. But if the lights are bright and everything's powered, yet the engine won't turn over, that's often the starter or ignition, not the battery. And if it cranks but won't catch, you're likely looking at a fuel or spark issue. 3 very different problems, 3 very different fixes. Not sure which it is? Repeated cranking can make things worse. One call and we'll sort it. Follow Allstate Towing.